Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the book Naked Forex Chapter 4, Identifying Support and Resistance Zone. There's an old saying about those who forgot history. I don't remember it by its course. So there are specific areas where you can find support and resistance zone. First, zones are an area, not a price point. Zone are likely fine wine, they are get better with age. Zone are spot on chart where the price reverses repeatedly. Zone may be extremely highs or lows of the chart. Fifth, zone are where naked traders find trading opportunity. Sixth, support and resistance zones are rarely needed to be modified. Line, chart help naked traders to find zones. Zones are often seen by many traders. I believe that those zones can be found in any area in the market. Maybe even if you will just close your eyes and mark few lines on the chart, there will be a zone, but where you can find a right zone or a right support and resistance areas, it could be the place where 4 or 5 times market had raised. Maybe market has bounced back from that area. That could be a zone, or don't trade those zones, because this is my advice. Don't trade those zones because that will be always a place where you will get trapped out and trade their extreme levels. If you have a zone of, let's say, your price is getting into a support area of 40 to 50 pips. Let's say your zone is of 40 to 50 pips. And then what you have to do is you have to trade in the end of the zone. You have to make your entry at the end of the zone, so that if there are hundreds of traders who know that same knowledge, if you wanted to trap them, if you wanted to take their SL, you have to trade at like at the extreme points of that zone. This is my advice. You can use it. How to find the zone? Start with a higher time frame chart. Use a line chart to find the zone on the chart and ignore the minors. Just try to find the major points of the market, or maybe those points where market have touched already 4 or 5 times. I use a higher time frame chart. Market are no different when the market is on a runway uptrend. Traders look to the older chart to see where the critical zone are on the chart. This is also where we see history repeat itself over and over and over again. This shortcut for finding zone on the chart will work regardless of the time frame you trading. Simply move on the one time frame. This is a very powerful method for finding important zone on the chart. Examine the higher time frame chart will enable you to identifying zones that will be the most critical areas on the chart for the time frame you chosen to trade. A few touches on the higher time frame chart will translate into many touches on the lower time frame chart. This technique will work on any time frame or a chart in a chart. As the market touches this zone more than 6 times over the course of a month, this brings up an important point about the zone. The importance of zone is directly related to the number of touches on the zone. So far, instance, if a daily chart shows a zone with a 5 touches over the past year, This would indicate a very critical zone on a particular chart. Let's take an example. If you wanted to trade a support and resistance strategy and you wanted to take a trade at a support area, then you can take a trade on a extreme level of the support area on the bullish side of the market, and you can exit the trade at the resistance level, or you can say the place where the market have consolidated most of the time. It could be a like at the top the market is at the ranging zone, or market is chopping. You can mark that zone as a reversal area or a resistance area so that you can take your exit. You can take exit from your trade. Thank you for watching.